Oops.
What?
Hold on, one moment. Oh, please hold. I accidentally did the heal instead of regen.
Oh. Ah. Actual.
We're trying to throw a pot.
I got a pot off.
That's crazy. Both of them.
Both of them. You're just floating in there. How does that get both?
My lazy seed.
Thanks for letting me do that. It's nice of you. These pots are useless.
You say that as they've done like a good chunk of his health when you hit him.
I just threw 3 of them and they all missed.
It's an issue.
Oh, that's a problem.
You say, starts doing the alien on top of you.
Yeah.
I see an issue here.
Go far enough.
They require a certain opening, and also you can manually aim them to make them go better. Will bro be able to heal?
I got it.
Oh, he's going after me, so yeah.
It's alright.
Bitch, where are you going?
Hey, I hit him.
Let's go. Can he do it, chat? Hey, Let's go! He did it!
Let's
Chad!
go! The
Fucking
fucking
best!
asshole's dead.
That's the hardest death I've heard in the game.